Hey, welcome to Shopping with Cheryl, and we're going to do another unboxing. This is a travel sewing kit by Artica, I think is how you say it. Anywho, we're going to take a look at this. I did get it sent to me to check out, and I go to a lot of car shows. Sometimes I go and I stay overnight or whatever. To me, this was going to be for traveling. It's not a big kit if you are going to be sewing a dress or some outfit. This is an easy little pack you can take with you or have around the house for those little jobs. If you're not a serious sewer, you may not have all this stuff. Now you can. So let's take a look at it. You want to come on in? Come on, don't be shy. Come on in, we'll look at it. Okay, let's open this up now that you're up here with me. And it came just like this. Let's see, it is a nice case. It's a nice kind of a nylon fabric. And it's got the zipper on the side. And it's pretty sturdy feeling. It's not a hard case, but it's firm. And when we open it up, ooh, you got little spools of thread. They are not, like I said, this isn't for making an outfit. It's more for traveling and those little sewing jobs in case you don't have anything at home. So you've got different colored threads. And then on the other side, you're going to have your thimble. Yeah, you need one of those, especially if you sew like I do. I'll try to do this while I'm on camera. Put it back in. That's not as easy as it sounds. My big old fingers. Let's see, what is this? Up your needle threader. I know that's going to be hard to see on camera, but that's what it's for, to help you thread your needle. You have a pack with, some safety pins and a couple little buttons. You also have here, a stitch puller. So if you need to take out some stitches, right there that is. That's a must-have. You got to have those. I use those a lot because it's me. Little pair of scissors, stainless steel little scissors. Now, you've got two little clips. I'm assuming you would be able to use these to hold a hem or something if you need be. Two of those. Then you've got 30 assorted needles, all different sizes in this nice little case. These cases are a lifesaver, especially if you've got a travel kit. If you just stick a needle in your thread, it falls out, you lose it, or it gets stuck in your foot. And you've got a little tape measure that, let me see if I can open this. I'd love to open it, but it doesn't want to open. Oh, here we go. Bet that helps. And it's just a little cloth tape measure. Looks like it's probably about 36 inches long is what I'm guessing. Oh, roll it out and see. Oh no, it's a big one. We're down here. It is 60 inches. And then on the other side, you've got what I assume is metric. I'm not a metric person, so I don't know, but I'm guessing. So, it all comes, like I said, in this nice little case. It was sent to me. I do have a link down below you can check out. You can also check down there for the link to follow me on Amazon Live where you can also see other cool products. Be sure to subscribe here, as you never know what I'm going to be unboxing. And I'll see you soon.